know, because, you know, I was dropping everything. Oh, here it is. Oh. Okay, so this is valid now all the way until the end of October. Use the code DFFall100. If you spend $100, you'll get $25 off. Okay, so you're only paying $75. And if you spend $50, use the code DFFall50, you get $15 off. So you're only spending $35. So that's really neat. Okay, so I just wanted to share that if you are brand new to Drapefit. Okay, thank you, Drapefit, for partnering with me. I am so blessed to be with you guys over a year, and I just want to do so many more years with you guys. All right, let's just get started. I don't have any prices. I looked everywhere. So after so many boxes, I get one for free. So this is my free box. So I'm sorry, guys, but I'm going to try to guess the prices because I have been with them for a while and I kind of know. So this, I would say, would probably be a $19 range, $20 range. Okay, so this is a bodysuit. And I love the longer sleeve on it. And I don't believe that's a thong, but I think it's more of a cheeky. Really cute. I love the little mock neck on it. And this is by the brand Reoria. And it's a size 10 large. So it's a 10, 12, but it's a 10 in the color coffee. I love this color brown. It's so pretty. Okay, and it's ribbed. So this is perfect to wear with, like, you know, silky skirts, or, you know, you can wear that, you know, with jean shorts. You can wear that with just jeans and a cute little cardigan. There's so many ways to wear it. Okay, the next thing is this dress. I can't make out who it's by. It's by, oh, I can't see that. Maybe it's on the taggy here. It just says long sleeve scoop neck maxi dress, color rust, size 10 large. This is beautiful and it's very long. So if you are on the shorter side, it's going to be too long for you. I am going to have these linked down below and I'm going to try to get the prices for you guys. If I have to guess for this one, usually when they send me a dress, it's usually like in a 28 range. So maybe $28 to $34, okay? Is what I'm thinking. And this is a try on, so just want to show you everything first. Okay, the next thing, I'm so happy they sent me fall colors. I love fall. Fall's my favorite season. I'm such a kid. This is called Simlu, I believe. And this is women's casual pullover tunic top sweater, color orange, size 10. She must watch my channel. I know my stylist watches my channel because she knows what colors I like then. I love orange. It's so pretty. This is very lightweight. I love this, very stretchy. It has a, I don't know if this is a drop sleeve or not. Once I put it on, I'll know. It's a tunic length though, and I love that. She knows I love leggings. This is really pretty. Really sporty with this in the front of it too. Isn't that cute? I love that detail. So if I have to guess on this, I would probably say it's maybe $24, $28, $30. Drapefit, if you're watching, I didn't get any prices because I know this was a free box, but hopefully, maybe, you know, if they are watching this, they'll send me an email with the prices and I'll be able to have them linked for you guys. But yeah, I've been with them for quite a while, so I kind of know what the prices are with things. So hopefully I'm right. Okay. Or in that ballpark. Okay. Paulette knows I love a Jeggings. I have these in, I have a deep brown, a light brown, I have a navy, you know, like a dark indigo color. I love Jeggings and I've been asking for this and you guys know that. So I'm so happy that this box came with everything that I'm going to wear. This is your wide waistband, has striations going through it, really beautiful, and it is a black. And I will say black you always want to wash first because of the dye. They are a skinny leg. I love the rivets on the pockets. They are working pockets. I love that. And I love the pocket placement. They're not too far out on the sides, and they're not too much in the middle, and they're smaller. So if you, you know, like if you're flatter in the back, that will give you a nice bum. And if you have a really big butt, a big behind, then that will make it look nice and shape it. Okay. And what I'm wearing. Okay. So I'll be right back. This is a little see-through, so I should have, you know, had a tank with me or something, but that's okay. I'm going to step back like this. Okay. So you guys can see this. It's really pretty. I love the navy blues with the pretty chocolate browns, like a deeper chocolate. Really nice, jean friendly. I love the tunic length on it. And I just think this is so cute. This is like a gauzy fabric, which I've never felt a flannel in a gauzy type material, but this is so pretty. So if you're going on vacation or something like that, and you know, you want to still have that fall vibe going on, this is perfect. I'm so happy she chose a 10 for me, because a 12 would have been too big on me. So this is really nice. Okay. Really pretty. I love my flannels when they're long like that. Oops. Okay. Sorry, guys. Alrighty, I'll be right back. Okay, guys, so here is the orange sweatshirt. Oh, this is a good one. She really knows my colors. All right. So this is really, really cute. I love that little slit on the side. This is just so cute. I love this color. It's really pretty. I will say maybe nude undergarments, but it is really, really pretty, and it's really flattering. Okay, really, really flattering. Really cute. I just threw it on with leggings. I'm going to show you the jeggings with the bodysuit. I think that will look pretty. Okay, this is really nice and so comfortable to roll up those, you know, to push up those sleeves. So nice. Let me come closer and you guys can see it. This is a really good fit on me. I love this. All right. Okay, guys, so this is the bodysuit and the pants. Really, really cute. Bodysuit's comfortable. I will say it's definitely not a full, but that's okay. This neckline's cute. I love it's definitely perfect size for me. So yeah, this is really nice. And okay. And these are the jeggings. Okay, these are really cute. And that's the back of them. Really cute. Okay. All right. Now, what I think will look really cute with this is throw this on with it, because that's what I love to do. I love to just do a bodysuit with a cute little flannel like this. Oh, that's really nice. So if you're going into a grocery store or something, right? You're not like, you know, I don't know. I don't like to just like do a bodysuit by itself, but I was sharing it with you. So yeah, so this is really cute. Wow, she really did a great job. I will say just the bodysuit though, of where they snap, it's not like in the middle, it's like up a little bit, but that just could be because of my shape. I don't know. But this is really cute. I love this. And I love the pants. They're so cute. All right, I'll be right back with the dress.
Step back. Okay, this is the dress. This is really pretty, and I'm so happy she chose the 10. I think it's really beautiful. I do. What do you guys think? I love the little slit. Where is it? It's on that side. Let's go down a little bit more. Yeah, it's on that side. Okay. So that's the dress. Really cute. What do you guys think? What do you guys think about this? This is the back. Really cute. I really like this. It's fitted, but it's not like, you know what I mean? I'm so happy she went with a 10. This is so cute to throw on with mules, throw on with a long line cardigan. I would throw this on with a flannel tied around my waist like this. Doesn't matter if it's brown. Like that. And then you can just do something like this with a cute little baseball cap and a sneaker. You guys know that's how I roll. And that's just so cute. I love this. So pretty. What do you guys think? Do you guys like this Drapefit haul? I love all these colors. I really do. My stomach is in so much pain because I started this run-in program. And today I went to the gym and I did some heavyweight strength training. And then yesterday I went running. Oh my gosh. But yeah, this is so cute, guys. So cute. Really love this. So you guys got to tell me what are your favorites. I think it's really, really flattering too. Really pretty. All right. All right, guys, that is everything. My takeaways, I like it all. I think it's all nice. I'm going to get so much wear out of this. I love this color. It's like a coffee color. Love the Jeggings. You guys know this. And I love the dress. The dress is cute too. I love the sweatshirt. I love everything. I love it all. It's so good. All right. All right, guys, I'm sorry I didn't have any prices, so I can't give you guys like a full total or anything like that. I apologize, but hopefully Drapefit is watching this and then they'll be able to hook me up with some prices. All right, guys, until next time, keep it real. Keep looking up. He has all the answers and make it a great day. And if it has not been a great day, what do I say? When life gives you lemons, make some lemonade. All right, guys, until next time, friends, if you have not subscribed, don't forget to do that and use that code, $25 off your first box, fit, if you want to try Drapefit. All right, guys, until next time, bye.